Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to study lesson number 13 of English, that is the Herculean task. Okay, for this you will have to open your English textbook part 2. Alright, open page number 26 of your textbook. Now my dear children, before moving towards the story, first of all, we are going to learn some new words and their meanings. Okay? So let us read these words. I will read these words 2 times. When I read it for the second time, you have to read along with me. Alright? Let us begin. P-R-O-V-E-N. Proven. P-R-O-V-E-N. Proven. Next. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. Now say along with me. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. Next. R-E-A-C-T. React. R-E-A-C-T. React. Next, A-C-C-O-M-P-L-I-S-H-E-D. Accomplished. Now say along with me. A-C-C-O-M-P-L-I-S-H-E-D. Accomplished. Next, S-A-L-U-T-E. Salute. S-A-L-U-T-E. Salute. Next, P-U-R-S-U-I-T. Pursuit. P-U-R-S-U-I-T. Pursuit. Next, F-I-R-M-L-Y. Firmly. F-I-R-M-L-Y. Firmly. Next, C-O-N-V-I-N-C-I-N-G. Convincing. C-O-N-V-I-N-C-I-N-G. Convincing. Okay. So these are some new words for you that we have read. Now we will see some more new words and we will also see their meanings. Alright. So let us see what is the first word. A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E. Adventure. What is it? Adventure. And what is the meaning? A dangerous yet enjoyable activity. So adventure means it is an activity. It is quite dangerous but it is very enjoyable. Alright. Next. C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Courage. Now courage means the ability to control one's fear and it is known as bravery also. Now the ability to control one's fear, to be brave. Okay, that means courage. Next, G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden of the H-E-S-P-E-R-I-D-E-S. Hesperides. Okay, now Garden of the Hesperides. A mythical garden where golden apples grow. Now, the garden of Hesperides is a mythical garden, okay, where the golden apples grow. Understood? Next, P-U-R-S-U-I-T. Pursuit. Now, pursuit means what? An attempt to achieve something. Means it is an attempt made from your own side to achieve something. Alright. Next, N-Y-M-P-H. Nymph. Now what do you mean by nymph? Nymph is a female spirit that lives in rivers, mountains or forests. Okay. Next, navigator. N-A-V-I-G-A-T-O-R. Navigator. Now what do you mean by navigator? Navigator means someone who gives directions of the travel. Navigation means someone who directs you or tells you about the directions where you want to travel. Okay. Next, S-T-A-R-T-L-E-D. Startled. Now what do you mean by startled? Got shocked. Okay. Means when you get shocked due to some sudden activity. Okay. Next. S-H-O-R-T short. T-E-M-P-E-R-E-D. Short tempered. Now what do you mean by short tempered? Short tempered means quick to get angry. Means some people, those who get angry so quickly, okay, that are known as short tempered. Understood? Next. M-Y-T-H-O-L-O-G-Y. Mythology. Now what do you mean by mythology? A rich collection of traditional tales from a particular culture. Means it is a collection of tales which are traditional from a particular culture. Okay, like Indian culture, European culture, Roman culture. Alright. Next. F-A-I-N-T-E-D. Fainted. Now fainted means fell down and became unconscious. Means to become unconscious and fell down. That means fainted. Alright. So these are some new words and meanings that are mentioned in this story. Now let us begin with the story, the Herculean task. Now what do you mean by the Herculean task? Herculean task. Yes. Have you ever heard the name of Hercules? Yes. He is a brave man. He is very courageous and very strong. He is very intelligent. Who? Hercules. Okay. And he is very strong also. Understood? So this story, the Herculean task, is about the task which is given to Hercules when at his time by the king. Okay, King Eurystheus. Okay, he has given some tasks to Hercules. Now let us see which task has been given to Hercules in this story and who has given it and what is the task. Alright, so I will read the story and explain it to you. Okay, my dear children. So let us read the first paragraph first. King Eurystheus was worried. Hercules had proven his courage and strength by completing 10 previous difficult tasks that had been given to him. He was becoming popular. People had started calling him a hero. Now what happened? King Eurystheus had given him 10 difficult tasks previously. Alright. And Hercules, being brave, bold, intelligent and courageous, has completed all these tasks successfully. Alright. So what had happened? People started thinking Hercules as their hero. Okay. Now King Eurystheus was the king, right? And Hercules was just a common man. But still, as he had completed various tasks given by the king, people started to think him as their hero. Alright, now let us read the next paragraph. The next task must be even more dangerous and challenging. Thought the king, it is important that he loses so that the countrymen can see me as their hero again. Now what happened? The king told, okay, the king told that the next task that will be given to Hercules should be so difficult. It should be very difficult that Hercules loses the task. Alright. And as he will lose the task, what will happen? People will not consider him as their hero. And they will think the king as their hero. Okay. So what happened then? Let us see the next paragraph. King Eurystheus called Hercules to his court and congratulated him. He set him the challenge of getting golden apples from the garden of the Hesperides. Okay. Now what happened? King Eurystheus, he called Hercules to his palace. Alright, and as he called Hercules to his palace, he congratulated him first. Why? Why did he congratulate him? He congratulated him because he had completed all the previous tasks successfully. And then he gave him the another task. Alright, now what was the another task? The another task was he had to bring 3 golden apples from the garden of Hesperides. Alright, now I told you about the garden of Hesperides. It is the garden where we get the golden apples. Right, and it is not very easy to get that golden apples. It is a very difficult task. Okay, what king thought that as he has given him this task, he will not be able to win it. He will lose the task. Alright, and that's the reason king gave him this task to bring 3 apples from the garden of Hesperides. Alright, now Hercules was very brave, he was courageous and intelligent, so he didn't refuse any task. Right, so he told king that okay, I will do this task. Okay, let us see what happened further. Hercules set out in pursuit of his new challenge, and on the way he met a beautiful nymph. He asked her for help. She told him to seek the old man of the sea, who was the best navigator. But there is one condition. You need to hold him tight. It is difficult to maintain a grip on him. He can change forms, warned the nymph. Now what happened? Now Hercules set on, he set on to pursue his challenge. Right? Now as he was going towards the garden, he met a beautiful nymph. Now who is a nymph? Nymph is a spirit who lives on the rivers or forests or oceans, or mountains. So when Hercules met her, he asked her for help. Now nymph didn't refuse, but she was not able to help her. So what she told? She told to meet the old man who was the best navigator. He was the best navigator. He lived near the sea. So she told Hercules to go and meet him. But as she told him, she also warned him about one condition of him. That old man, you have to hold that old man very tightly. Why? Because he can change his forms. Means he can be anything he wants. He can change his forms and he can be free and go. Right? So what happened then? Hercules accepted it and he went to the old man. Let us see what happened next. Hercules found the old man sleeping on the shore. He quietly moved towards him and held on to him tight before he could react. Now what happened? Hercules found the old man on the shore and that old man was sleeping. So what happened? As Hercules saw him, he held him tightly. Alright? Now before that old man could react anything, he held him very tightly. Now the old man woke up, startled. Who are you? He screamed. Now the old man startled means he got shocked because as Hercules held him, he woke up immediately and he got very shocked and asked him, who are you? So he told that I am Hercules, I need your help to show me the way to the garden of Hesperides. Now what happened? Hercules told him that I am Hercules and I need your help. Why? Because I want you to show me the way towards the garden of Hesperides. Now let us see that the old man told him the address or he didn't tell him. The old man struggled to get free. However, Hercules held on even tighter. The old man turned himself into a deer. He then turned into a kraken, a sea monster resembling a giant octopus. He tried to scare Hercules but failed every time. Finally, the old man told him about the Hesperides, who were the goddesses of the evening. He said that golden apples were in the garden on an island. To get to the island, Hercules would need to take the help of Antaeus, who was a short-tempered man. Okay. Now what happened? Now the old man, he didn't tell the way to the garden of Hesperides very soon. Okay. Now Hercules was holding him and he struggled a lot. Who? The old man. The old man struggled a lot to get free from his tight hold. But Hercules held him even tighter. Then what happened? He turned himself, he changed his form into a deer. Alright. And when he became deer, that time also Hercules held him very tightly. And then he changed himself into a kraken. Now what is kraken? It is a form of monster which looks like a giant octopus. Alright. And he tried to scare Hercules. But Hercules was a brave man. He didn't got scared. Right? He was courageous. So then what happened? The old man failed to scare him. And then he told him the way to Hesperides. He told him about the Hesperides who are the evening goddesses. Alright. He told that garden is on an island. But if you want to go to that island, you need to meet a man named Antaeus. And when you meet that man named Antaeus, you have to be very careful. Why? Because that man is short-tempered. Means he gets angry very quickly. Understood? Now let us see what happened next. Hercules thanked the old man. After some time, he met Antaeus. What do you want from me? Yelled Antaeus. I want you to show me the way to the garden of Hesperides. How dare you? Antaeus was angry. He attacked Hercules. Hercules fought back and lifted him high up in the air. Okay. Now what happened? Now Hercules first of all thanked the old man to give him some information about the garden of Hesperides. Okay. And he told him, he thanked him and then he went further. So as he went further, he met the man Antaeus. Now that Antaeus was short-tempered, right? So when he saw Hercules, he asked him, means he yelled at him, like he shouted at him, that what do you need from me or what do you want from me? So Hercules told that I want you to show me the way to the garden of Hesperides. But that man named Antaeus, he refused. And what he did? He started fighting with Hercules. And as he started fighting with Hercules, Hercules fought back and he picked him up higher. Okay? He held up in the air. To whom? Antaeus. Now let us see what happened next. Antaeus got scared. Please put me down. I will answer all your questions. Antaeus told him that the garden of Hesperides was guarded by a never-sleeping 100-headed dragon named Ladon. Only Atlas could enter the garden of Hesperides. According to Roman mythology, it was believed that Atlas has been carrying the weight of the earth on his shoulders for over 1,000 years. Hercules knew that convincing Atlas would be next to impossible. So on his way, he thought of a plan. He also knew that Atlas hated carrying the earth on his shoulders. Now what happened, my dear children? The Antaeus got scared and he told Hercules to put him down and he told that I will answer all your questions. So when Hercules asked him the way to the garden of Hesperides, he told that it is guarded by the dragon and that dragon had 100 heads. Alright, so it is very dangerous and only Atlas could enter that garden for bringing the apples. Now Atlas, according to the Roman mythology, it is believed that this Atlas is holding he is carrying the weight of earth over 1,000 years. Okay, and he hated carrying that weight. So what happened then? Hercules thought that it is impossible to convince Atlas. So he thought of a plan. Okay, let us see what is that plan. When Hercules reached the garden, he said, I salute you, Atlas. You have been holding the earth for so long. I am so tired, exclaimed Atlas. I can help you to ease the load for some time. You only have to get me 3 golden apples from the garden of Hesperides, offered Hercules. Atlas agreed and brought back the golden apples for Hercules. He could do anything for some rest. You are brave, Atlas. It is a quite tough task to hold the earth, said Hercules. Even Hercules returned with the 3 golden apples. The king was shocked and nearly fainted. Now what happened after that? He thought of a plan. So as Hercules went to the garden, he met Atlas and he told that, Atlas, I salute you. You are great. Why? Because you are holding the weight of earth since so long and it is very difficult. So Atlas told that I am very tired. So Hercules told him that I can help you to take some rest for some time. Okay, I will hold the earth for you. So what happened then? Hercules told him that you need to bring 3 apples for me. Alright. So then Atlas agreed and what happened? Atlas agreed and he brought 3 apples for Hercules. Till that time, Hercules was holding the earth. Understood? So this way, Hercules got the apples. Now you saw how brave and courageous Hercules was. So when he brought the 3 apples, the king and everyone was shocked. King was nearly fainted. Understood? So this was the story about the Herculean task. Alright? So it is not always that we have to use our strength. We should also use our brain. Right? So this is the way how Hercules did his next challenging task. Alright? I hope you have understood this story. If you have any problem or any query related to this story, you can